This is Novotin Shop iChannel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 3, Botswana City not. Pooja, how are you, sir?
I'm all right yourself.
I'm fine, thank you. How do you feel about the game today?
Okay, excited.
I can see.
I'm on top of the world, excited.
Yeah.
But one thing that I differ most with,
Anyway,
I want to be the only person, the only Pakani.
you wanna be unique.
I'm going to be the only now put it.
Yeah.
As well as Pegu history Pirates. Spetu root crawl.
Yeah.
Sivila Makapa 3 in the
Double treble. Yeah.
double treble. Third year root crawl kwenzakalani.
We are harmed.
Iposa inside. Same story no Rivera.
Yeah.
Mark my word, Rivera is signing. The management of Paris, I think he signed the coach.
Shutangahamba next.
Man, I tell you, but once I win the cup, he's gone. Also, win the cup, win the league, he's gone.
So
wrong. He is decided to Paris.
So suggest to China I win.
In other frustrated with Paris. Whenever we win, the coach here harm. You know,
But let's hope that the things are changing now. 2024, maybe Baboni Noguchi, Lendabayas are crawl. It didn't work for them.
But why are we doing that? Mhlawumbe njengobusho ngoba ngabona ukuthi lento abayenza ndikhona manje bheka isikhathi ubani ilokusani yaphela manje akunamuntu okhuluma nge-contract ka-Rivera ku-management ye-Pirates why banga-extend i-contract why fanele balinde until it's late management iyasiphuza i-Pirates.
Let's hope ukuthi angithi thina sabalandeli we are not there behind the scenes. Maybe they are busy, they didn't tell us which they are busy. Or maybe just give them a message there for them to to start negotiating.
Exactly. To all management of Orlando Pirates, your biggest downfall, and I say it now, we've got quality coaches. The next thing they start winning cups. As soon as they get into the third and final year, you discard of them. They are gone. I feel pity for Rivera. Has proven this is his third year. He has proven what is a quality coach. But I tell you, with Milan management, you're not going to reward him with extension your contract. Why are we not extending a contract? Rivera. But I can only hope with him. I can only hope. Exactly. That's all that I want to say. One last thing, member. Umabasa, please, Umabasa must just sit down for now. Now, umfana uzosenzela umsebenzi. Uzongena uskomoto.